I went back in woods. I went back in not woods. I went back in your house. I went out woods. I went back in your house. I went out your woods. I went out my wood, and I said, "Jumping double!" Us, Yui, in my house, and Mom said, "Uh-oh, the Bigfoot." I said, like that loud.
Are you scared of Bigfoot?
Yeah.
But you had Bigfoot come in the house?
Yeah.
Why?
It came in my house. He came on TV, my dad, and he ate all TVs. And he ate all your phone.
He ate my phone and the TV?
Yeah.
You must have been really hungry.
Yeah, your phone. He went out my house. He went back out my house. He was in my house and ate out your hair. And out my and all your arms, on your belly, and on your belly. And I went out woods. I went back in my house. I got giant candy like that. Teeny.
What did you eat today? How much candy?
Yeah.